counting the amount of true/false values in a Pandas row. Is there a way in Pandas to calculate how many true or false conditions are there in a column? E.g., if a data frame has 5 columns and I want to select rows with at least 3 columns with values is greater than 3, can this be done without the use of an iterator? So in the example below, I will select rows B and C.
You can do this. Where df is greater than 3 returns a Boolean mask over the entire date frame according to the condition, and sum axis equals 1 returns the number of true in that mask for each row. Finally, the equals 3 operation returns another mask that can be used to filter the original date frame. Output.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.